All right, here we have a matte black finish on this Tesla Model Y. Let me just show you a few things with this. I do like that the matte finish has that matte look versus a gloss, but one thing that's a little bit annoying about this matte finish is take a look at the back end. You can see fingerprints and how it gets dirty like that. That's one thing I don't like about the wrap finish. The other thing is, and I know that it's there to protect the car, but you can see how it's these little nicks from rocks and stuff, but I'm sure you're gonna have that with any matte wrap. And this car here has quite a few of those little nicks. One right there. And this car is painted white underneath that matte wrap finish. So you could always pull that off and have your white Tesla back. It does have the real rims instead of a hubcap. But this is what it would look like to have that matte finish. Now, some people say that's like a gray. To me, it looks like a matte black, like a faded black. So I guess everybody has their own opinion when looking at this. My wife thought it was gray. I thought it was black. I don't know, what do you guys think it looks like, but this is what a matte wrapped finish would look like on a Tesla Model Y. Show you guys the front end one more time. There. Okay, you guys like it? Yes or no?